Welcome or welcome back. This is D-Best. In the last video, she showed you how to do a flexi rod set, and in this one, she will be providing a more detailed tutorial of her viral updo, all in under only 3 minutes. Let's start. First, you are going to pull strands near both ears and on the nape of your neck, making sure to separate it by tying or using a clip. As you can see, she's choosing to tie it. Now you're going to use a small scrunchie to put up the rest of your hair. Once all of your hair has been collected, you're going to adjust as needed, making sure the back of your hair falls down properly and the scrunchie isn't too high. Please keep in mind that the back does not have to be perfect. Now you can use a pick for this part, but I usually just use my hands. You want to add volume to the back so that it's higher than the front. If the front is still too high or long, you can pin it down with a bobby pin. Again, she's just adjusting and playing around with it to get it in a perfect place. She's going to show you the back to emphasize the point that it'll still look good, even if the back isn't perfect, because your curls are going to fall down and cover it. Haha, I was going to say we are finally done, but of course she is still adjusting. Let's give her a moment. And here we are at the final look. It's very beautiful, if I must say. Something you must try. Bippity boppity boo. Well, that's the end. See you guys in the next one.